Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So little Reese and I thought we would do a little tutorial in partnership with BetterLength hair. So every now and then I get questions from you guys on how to make your hair look thicker, longer, but shortcuts, you know. So I have little baby Reese with me, so I apologize for any interruptions before we get started. He's really cute and loves to hog the camera, so in fact, let's say hi, Reese. Come, baby. Say hi. Yeah. All right, enough of that little love fest. So here are the BetterLength extensions. They come in this really handy little satin pouch for easy storing. In addition to the clip-ins that BetterLength sent, they also sent me a sleeping bonnet. And I love this because it's adjustable. You can just adjust it to fit you best. I love that. What I love about this is it's got a lot of give, it's made big, so it can, oh my God, how cute is this? How cute is this? This is so cute. So yeah, nice and loose. Like I said, you can adjust it so you don't get those wrinkles when you wake up in the morning. Lovely, lovely, super cute. So this is the light yaki clip-in. Looks great with freshly relaxed hair. And this is in color 1B. It's not quite jet black. In the sunlight, it has a kind of dark coffee look. My hair has a hint of brown, especially outside in the sunlight. So this is a perfect match. I've ordered these before.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. How to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. And maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees.
So these were super easy to install. That took me less than 5 minutes. It has thickened up the look of my hair. I feel like you're hard pressed to tell where my real hair ends and the BetterLength hair starts. And I thought I would show you just quickly. I'm going to give myself some loose, sexy waves because that is my jam. That is the look I love.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. How to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. And maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. How to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm
Okay everyone, so I just finished curling up this hair. I just put some loose waves in. This is very Dominique. This is very easy to achieve. I didn't bother putting any styling product in my hair. The waves will last for me pretty well, but as you can see, the BetterLength clip-ins has given me some real fullness and thickness, and absolutely adore this sexy beachy look. So again, to recap, I ordered the BetterLength light yaki clip-ins. These are great for freshly relaxed hair. Of the 7 bundles that BetterLength sent me, I only used 4, and this is the thickness and amazingness that I was able to achieve. As you can see, doing this look is super, super easy. I love the thickness and fullness that these clip-ins have given me. I adore this look. This is very, very Dominique. I love loose, easy, unstructured styles. So yeah, super sexy, super easy, very touchable. I love it. Anyways, I have linked these clip-ins in the description box. All the information's there if you would like to check it out. Again, loving BetterLength. This is my second set of clip-ins. Beautiful, beautiful quality. I am not just saying that. This is not a sponsored video. These are gifted clip-ins though, but I've tried a few and BetterLength has never disappointed. Anyways, if you like this video, please give me the big thumbs up. I would love that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check me out on Instagram at dominique.baker, and my blog is styledomination.com. All right, I will see you guys a little later. I can't thank you enough for watching. Okay, bye.